Let's dive into an introduction to large language models, or LLMs. Before diving in, let's make sure we are on the same page regarding what things are. First, what are large language models? LLMs are a type of artificial intelligence designed to understand, generate, and interact using human language. They are built using vast amounts of textual data and trained using techniques derived from machine learning. LLMs utilize a specific architecture known as transformer, which enables them to process words in relation to all other words in a sentence, thereby understanding context more effectively. Next, let's talk about training data. Training data refers to the diverse data sets used to train these models. This data can include books, articles, websites, and other forms of written content. The variety and quality of the training data significantly influence the model's ability to understand and generate coherent and contextually appropriate responses. Now let's understand fine-tuning. Fine-tuning is a process applied to LLMs after the initial training. It involves additional training steps where the model is adjusted with smaller, often more specific datasets to enhance its performance on particular tasks, or to better understand specific types of language and terminology. Tokens are another important concept. Tokens are the pieces of texts, like words or parts of words, that LLMs analyze and generate. The process of breaking down text into tokens allows the model to efficiently process and generate language. Finally, let's discuss contextual understanding. Contextual understanding is the capability of LLMs to comprehend the context in which words are used. This understanding is critical for generating responses that are relevant to the previous statements or questions posed to the model. In summary, large language models leverage vast amounts of data, complex architectures, and advanced techniques to understand and generate human language. These foundational concepts, training data, fine-tuning, tokens, and contextual understanding, are key to how LLMs operate and interact effectively.